Hi viewers, today let us see how to blend perfume with lamp oil. So here preferable volume of essential oil or perfume to mix up in lamp oil is 1 milliliter for 1 liter of oil. Now I have taken essential oil in this burette. See here we will find out how many drops is equivalent to 1 milliliter. Now you can see the level, it is approximately, it is at, let me drain it out. So now it is at 42. So now let it come to 43, that is equivalent to 1 milliliter. How many drops is equivalent? Just let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, approximately 32 drops. So you can use this much quantity to blend with the lamp oil, or else at least 10 to 15 drops is also enough if your essential oil is good. Thank you. Have a nice day.